everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is in absolute great health. It's the holiday season here in the US and we cannot keep calm. Holiday season also means holiday lights, a tradition celebrated around the world. Today we are on our way to witness one of the most unique, beautiful outdoor Christmas lights, a tradition that goes back in 1948. It's light, so obviously we had to reach post sunset. During this time of the season, we get sunset pretty early, sometimes as early as 3:45 p.m. This little Christmas village is set on the foothills of a mountain and the road is through hills and forest. We are on our way to enjoy the Coziar's Christmas Village in Berks County, Pennsylvania. This place is almost 2 hours from my home in Edison, New Jersey. The roads through rural Pennsylvania is always so nice. It was almost 4:30 p.m. and that's exactly when Coziar's opened for public. But to our surprise, there were already hundreds of cars. Far off, can you see the beautiful village all lit up? Looks like a little winter wonderland. I think because Christmas is close, people are flowing in to see it because it's a seasonal thing, stays only till the last week of December. The parking area was huge and had the capacity to welcome people, but again, if it gets too crowded, parking could be an issue. We luckily got a parking spot and oh boy, it was so cold, -7 degrees centigrade. But that doesn't stop people from visiting this seasonal marvel. Finally, we were at Coziar Christmas Village. This Christmas village opened on Thanksgiving through 1st January 2025. The operating times on Friday is from 6 p.m. till 9 p.m., on Saturday 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. and on Sunday 5 p.m. till 9 p.m. Ages 3 and under free, 4 to 10 $11, 11 to 64 $13, but on Saturday it's prime night, so $5 extra, so $18 for us. Driving through the darkened countryside and coming over to that last hill until County Rose, it's like driving into fairyland. Suddenly you find yourself in a dazzling valley set aglow with more than 1 million Christmas lights adorning buildings, gift barns and landscape. A reflective lake adds to the stunning beauty of this magical place as well. Coziar Christmas Village has grown to a mammoth and extraordinary seasonal attraction, drawing visitors from great distances as well as local families who have made Coziar's part of their Christmas tradition for 3 generations. This family-owned Christmas attraction dates back to 1948 when William M. Coziar began decorating his home and dairy farm for the pleasure of his wife and 4 children. It has continued to grow for more than 60 years and has become one of the most famous Christmas attractions in the US. It has received many awards in its long history, including Best Outdoor Display in the World and Award of Excellence as one of the top 10 travel attractions in Pennsylvania. Mr. Coziar added new and unique items and lightened display to the original layout each year. He began decorating the lake, the walkways, trees, fences and buildings, as well as continually adding the barn and a house. By popular demand, visitors were granted access to the premise for a closer look. Thus, the Christmas house became known as the Coziar's Christmas Village. The word spread and people came from near and far to see the breathtaking light. Today, Coziar Christmas Village has grown to a regional and national phenomenon, with 3rd and 4th generation of families making the magical trek to view these stunning lights. The popularity of the display grew with its constantly expanding size and eventually it became a year-round operation for the Coziar family. The glow of the Christmas lights during the holidays suggests something magical and unique to the season. These sparkling decorations can turn winter into a favorite celebrating season. I'll let you enjoy the music and the decorations for now.
I didn't know about. That's a great idea.
So Christmas fun can last and last. Santa's coming.
No Santa, no Santa. We got a fire.
No, good. No, I'm okay actually. Double.
I was going to and I forgot. And watch out, she's gonna run right into
Red one.
He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again.
That was one hell of a light show. So beautiful, so magical. It took us around 60 to 75 minutes to cover the entire village. We could have stayed for a little more, but the cold was unbearable that day. We did have some hot chocolate and decided to leave for the day. This year's decoration was grandeur because it was Coziar's 75th anniversary. People who live close by must watch this beautiful village. There are only 2 more weeks of this wonderland. We came here at 4:30 and when we were about to leave, there were more cars coming in. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like the video, put a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Nimantrita signing off. I'm going to see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.